Good afternoon, traders. How we all doing today? What a day it's been on the market. Market rallied up today. Not bad at all considering that we've got a mostly bearish price action, but will it hold? That's the key question. And I'll be honest, I don't know. I think it might, but there's a lot of uncertainty out there, and I'll show you why. But if you guys appreciate this content, please like, subscribe. Any of that would be appreciated. So let's get right on into it. So first one that we're going to go over is Tesla. So Tesla, the main thing that I'm watching is that you got this inverse head and shoulders right here. So, and then you also got volume, which was not the best. I've seen stronger. I think that we're going to consolidate in this area for a couple of days, at least for tomorrow. I think we might get an inside bar, but I think long term, look for Tesla to hit 300. So that's what I'm watching for Tesla. Now Apple, bears are absolutely killing it on Apple. So as you can see here, price moved on down, broke the 200 EMA, treating it as resistance, but also treated 168.16 as a good support level. But volume also was not the best, meaning that buyers are really not in control and the sellers are still in control of Apple. So I'm very bearish on Apple. And then we got Microsoft. We'll go over that quickly as well. So Microsoft, what I'm watching for Microsoft is that if we can hold the support at 309.49, then I would definitely watch for a break of 315.48. Now tomorrow, if we break 315.48, then that 10 EMA is going to be the next point of resistance. If we mount that, then that's going to be looking very good. No particular, you could call this a double bottom right here. Definitely, actually, no, you really can't. Yeah, so forget that. But Microsoft, it's looking decent. I think it just needs a little bit more time to show it. So next we're going to be moving on is to NVDA. So NVIDIA, what are we seeing here? So we got a head and shoulders pattern forming up. So mostly a bearish price action pattern. We got a bear flag on the daily. We got volume being average, which is common in head and shoulders. You just have to be very careful with NVIDIA. And considering that you got NVIDIA looking bearish, you got Apple looking bearish, Microsoft, you got uncertainty. It's not a good look. Markets are very fragile at the moment, so just be very careful. Use some caution. Don't rush into anything, because that's where you're going to get yourselves into trouble. Next one that we're going to be going over is American. Now, currently, I do have an open position in them. My first swing trade, I bought 3 call options, expiring December 15th, I believe. I was able to get them for $13 each, bought 3, so $45 trade. Nothing crazy. I'm using a small account. It's my first swing trade. But I think that they're going to head up to $16 to $17 in the next coming week. So hopefully I'm right on that. That'd be a decent return, I'll tell you that much. Volume on American is up there. It's starting to build up. And you can see every single time that the market went to this area that's always pushed up. So I highly recommend this stock. I also end up buying $13,000 stock of American at, what was it? I bought it at $12.83. Yeah, so I bought it this morning. So just keep that in mind that American's a very good company. I'm very bullish on them. So tomorrow's news to keep in mind is you got PCE at 8:30 and consumer sentiment at 10 o'clock. So you might get some volatility at 8:30. But 10 o'clock, I doubt consumer sentiment is going to really cause any type of major volatility that you have to watch out for. But personally, I'm going to wait until after 10 o'clock to trade. Just let some price action kind of play out, play on the defensive. And then later in the day, that's when I'll get a little bit more aggressive with the trades. So next we're going to be moving on is to SPY. So overall SPY, I think tomorrow is going to be either an inside day, consolidating, something along the lines of that. The overall market just looks very fragile at the moment. Now, if we do start to push higher, the next major point that I would watch is right over in this general area. I would say the open of this candle, which was what? 432.45. So watch this area. I think 432.48 around there is going to be a major area to watch. Actually, we'll drag it down just a little further. So we'll call that 432. So watch 432 for tomorrow. If we end up breaking above that, then we might get this gap fill and a push down lower. Or what we might get is a complete opposite, and we might start pushing up higher. Now, the volume today on SPY was decent considering the last following days. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Play a little bit of defensive with your money on SPY, but overall, not bad setups coming into market. Just play on the defensive. All right, guys. I hope you guys found some value in this, and good luck.